It's not fine dining. It's not fancy, fancy plates. But this dish, to me, is an example of somebody who understands how to get the best out of every single ingredient with real style.
For his starter, Thomas has served monkfish scampi, monkfish tails in a beer batter, flavoured with smoked paprika and cayenne pepper, pickled fennel, gherkin and onions, and tartar sauce topped with tarragon.
Works for me, Thomas. I mean, lovely flaky fish inside a light batter, very good. I like your salad of pickled fennel because that is aniseed flavour, but it's got a sweetness to it. I think that's great. Your tartar sauce, tangy, is also quite salty. These are very good accompaniments for a nicely cooked piece of fish.
What I really love is this tartar sauce of yours. The background becomes a little bit of aniseed from the tarragon. There's a sweetness of gherkin. There's a richness of that mayonnaise. And then when you start to eat it all together, it becomes a lot more elegant than just scampi and tartar sauce. I think it's great. I don't have a complaint at all. Not at all.
Thomas's main is ox cheek braised in black treacle, bone marrow and porter beer, with crispy onions, shredded Brussels sprouts with bacon, carrots cooked in carrot juice and topped with onion seeds, and horseradish mash, all served in the ox cheek braising juices.
I mean this as a compliment, and please take it as such. That is proper, old-fashioned, hearty grub. Your cheek is really soft and unctuous and falling apart. Your sprouts have a little bit of bitterness, lots of pepper, smoky bits of bacon in there. There is enough horseradish inside that mashed potato to set light to the plate. That is unashamedly comfort food cooked by somebody who likes to eat what they're cooking. Well done.
Your beef cheek, because it's made with all that lovely porter and the rich chocolate and aniseed that comes with it, tastes like rich beef and gravy. It's not fine dining. It's not fancy, fancy plates. But this dish, to me, is an example of somebody who understands how to get the best out of every single ingredient with real style. Love it.
Thank you.
Almost brought a tear to my eye, that did.
Thomas's dessert is a salted caramel custard tart topped with grated nutmeg, caramel and orange zest popcorn, and a popcorn ice cream.
The pastry at the bottom isn't quite cooked enough, which is a shame because the whole thing tastes fantastic. That salty caramel is only a slight saltiness, which is great. The same is true of your ice cream, which is just a star.
We have issues with the pastry. However, we don't have any issues with the way it tastes. You feel like you're in the cinema with a tub of popcorn and a tub of caramel ice cream at the same time. It is like a kid in a sweet shop, absolute joyous find. I think your food's great, Thomas. I think your ethos is heartwarming, and I don't believe you should ever deviate from it. It's food that people love to eat. Our MasterChef Champion 2020 is... Thomas.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. What?
You now have that.
Oh, wow. It's pretty special and has blown my mind. Honestly, it's a dream come true. It's been immense. It's been the best thing I've ever done in my life.